Dents on your car can be frustrating, especially when the paint is still in good shape. Here are some safe, easy and effective methods to help restore your car's smooth surface and shine. Using hot water and a plunger is a simple and effective way to remove small to medium dents, especially on plastic bumpers or panels. Start by boiling some water and carefully pouring it over the dented area to soften the plastic, making it more flexible. Then, place a cup plunger over the dent and gently push and pull until the dent pops out. The suction created by the plunger helps the panel return to its original shape. Once the dent is removed, wipe the area clean and dry it. This method works best on shallow dents, but always be cautious when handling hot water to avoid burns. Petroleum jelly can also be used as a helpful aid when removing car dents without damaging the paint. It works as a protective lubricant, reducing friction between tools and the car's surface during the repair process. To remove a car dent using a plunger and petroleum jelly, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly around the rim of the plunger. This helps create a stronger suction and protects the car's paint from friction. Then, place the plunger firmly over the dent and gently push and pull several times. The suction created should help pop the dent back into place. Once the dent is removed, clean off any remaining petroleum jelly and dry the area with a soft cloth. This easy method works best for small to medium dents and keeps your car's paint safe and smooth. The Dent Puller Kit is specially designed with an adjustable width and height feature, making it suitable for fixing both small and large dents. It's made from high-quality metal and has a soft rubber base to protect your car's original paint during use. It also comes with professional-grade glue sticks and a glue gun that melt quickly and provide strong adhesion, ensuring the dent is pulled out smoothly without slipping. This versatile tool can be used not only on cars, but also on motorcycles, refrigerators, washing machines, and other flat metal surfaces. After successfully removing the dent, it's important to finish the job by cleaning and polishing the area. Start by washing the repaired spot with shampoo and water to remove any dirt, grease or traces. Once the surface is clean and dry, apply a small amount of car polish or wax using a soft cloth and gently buff it in circular motions. This step helps restore the shine and smoothness of your car's paint, making the repaired area blend seamlessly with the rest of the body. With a few simple tools and techniques, you can often remove small to medium dents at home without damaging the paint.